very important, melting point and boiling point. Melting point and boiling point both are directly proportional to molecular weight or molecular mass. Melting point and boiling point both are directly proportional to the molecular mass. As the molecular weight of halogen compound increases, melting point and boiling point also increases. First one, for the same alkyl group is same but halogen atoms are different. Example, alkyl fluorides, alkyl bromides and alkyl iodides. In this direction, molecular weight of halogen atom is chlorine to chlorine, chlorine to bromine, bromine to iodine. Molecular weight gradually increases. In this direction, what happens here? Molecular weight increases. Molecular weight is directly proportional to melting point and boiling point. So, alkyl fluorides is lesser than alkyl bromides is lesser than alkyl iodide. As the molecular weight of halogen atom increases, boiling point and melting point both are increases. Here, melting point and boiling point of alkanes is lesser than alkyl fluorides because due to polar in nature, the bond is polar in nature, and second one is molecular weight increases. Due to these two reasons, melting point, boiling point of haloalkanes is greater than those of corresponding alkanes having same molecular formula. Having same molecular mass. Both are alkanes and haloalkanes having almost same molecular formula. When these two compounds compare the melting point, boiling point, alkanes are lesser than halogen derivatives of alkane because due to the polar in nature, the bond between carbon and halogen polar in nature, and one more thing, molecular weight of halogen atom is greater than hydrogen. Here hydrogen replaced by halogen. Halogen automatically the mass of halogen is more than hydrogen atom. One more reason we can write here. Molecular mass of hydrogen atom is lesser than halogen. As the molecular mass increases, melting point, boiling point is also I have given here. The relation between molecular mass and melting point and boiling point. So the hydrocarbons are having same molecular formula when compared to the halogen derivative of alkane is lesser. Next one, as the number of halogen atoms increases, melting point and boiling point also increases. As the number of halogen atoms increases, then what happens? Molecular mass of the compound increases. Molecular mass increases automatically. Melting point and boiling point increases. Molecular mass is directly proportional to the melting point and boiling point. What is the second point here? For number of halogen atom increases. Then I am writing the relationship melting point and boiling point is directly proportional to number of halogen atoms. As the number of halogen atoms increases, molecular mass of that compound increases. Molecular mass is directly proportional to the melting point and boiling point. So the methyl chloride and dichloromethane, trichloromethane number of halogen atom increase. Number of halogen atom increase means automatically molecular mass increases. Molecular mass also increases. Molecular mass increase means melting point and boiling point also increase. So the order of melting point, boiling point is methyl chloride is lesser than dichloromethane, trichloromethane and carbon tetrachloride. This is the order of boiling points and melting point of polyhalogen compounds. And next one, as the length of carbon chain increases, halogen atom is same for the different length of alkyl groups. For different length of alkyl groups, means the length of alkyl group is different. Halogen atom is same for all compounds. That is a CH3Cl, CH2Cl ethyl chloride. Next term, propyl chloride. Next term, butyl chloride. Okay. When we are moving from left to right, what happens here? Length of carbon chain increase. Length of carbon chain increase means van der Waals forces of attraction between carbon increase. When van der Waals force of attraction increase between carbon, it requires more energy to melt the compounds. Okay, melting point, boiling point also increases. So the order is methyl chloride is lesser than, ethyl chloride is lesser than, propyl chloride is lesser than, butyl chloride. As the number of carbon atoms increase on the compound, van der Waals forces of attractions increase between carbon and carbon due to the increasing of van der Waals forces of attraction, and as well as molecular weights also increase due to the increasing of molecular weight and interaction force between carbon and carbon. The melting point, boiling point also increase from left to right. Next, melting point, boiling point for isomeric halogen derivatives. Isomeric halo compounds. For isomeric halo compounds, the melting point, boiling point is depend on the surface area. Melting point and boiling point both are directly proportional to the surface area. Surface area increases means melting point and boiling point of the compound increase. Whatever surface area, of the surface area is inversely proportional to branching. As the number of side chains increase on the parent carbon, surface area decrease. Both are inversely proportional. Inversely proportional means number of branching increase means surface area decrease. Surface area decrease, then what happens? Melting point, boiling point also decrease. This is the relationship between surface area and the melting point and boiling point. Let's take an example. N-butyl chloride. Name of this compound N-butyl chloride. I am saying this is compound A is N-butyl chloride. Next compound B, isobutyl chloride. Next compound C, tertiary butyl chloride. Tertiary butyl chloride. Here compound A is N-butyl chloride, normal butyl chloride, and second compound is isobutyl chloride. Isobutyl chloride. What about this? Tertiary butyl chloride. Now n-butyl chloride, isobutyl chloride, tertiary butyl chloride, all of the compounds having same molecular formula. Number of carbon atoms, number of hydrogen atoms, number of halogen atoms are same. How many carbon atoms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbons are there. How many hydrogens are there? 3 3s are 9. How many halogen atoms are there? 1. Check all compounds. How many carbons are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many hydrogens are there? 3, 5, 7, 9. Hydrogen atoms are 7. Halogen atom is 1. For this compound, 1, 2, 3, 4 carbons are there. 3 plus 3, 6, 7, 7 plus 2, 9, and 1 halogen. Molecular formula of this all compounds are same. What's the difference, sir? Length of the parent chain. How many carbons are in the parent chain? 4 carbons, sir. How many are there? 3 carbons, sir. How many are there? 3 carbons. Okay. These are isomers of each other. A, B, C, all compounds are isomers of each other. Molecular formula is same. What's the difference, sir? Arrangement of atoms is different, sir. Okay. Length of the parent chain. They differs in the length of the parent chain and position of the alkyl group is different. So these are called isomeric halogen derivatives. In these compounds, the melting point boiling point is very important for you. Now, the melting point boiling point is directly proportional to surface area. What about surface area? Surface area is inversely proportional to branching. What about this first carbon? There is no branches, only straight chain is there. So melting point boiling point is highest close to the A. What about second? One branch is there, with surface area decreases. Surface area decreases automatically. Melting point boiling point decreases. What about here? Two side chains are there. Means what happened here? Again, the surface area of that compound decreases. When surface area of that compound decreases, melting point boiling point also decreases. Now the order of the melting point boiling point of these compounds, A is greater than B is greater than C. This is the order of melting point boiling point of the isomeric halogen derivatives of alkanes. Okay, it is depend on surface area. Surface area is not inversely proportional to branching. Number of branches increases, surface area decreases. Surface area decreases, boiling point and melting point also decreases. This is about the melting point and boiling point. Next property, polarity and dipole moment.